Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is Anthony Sabri, the Debt Alchemist. I appreciate you guys tuning in to this channel or web page or whatever social media platform that you're using it right now to watch this. Know that I've created this particular, the Debt Alchemist is to help you guys 100% on knowing all your options available to get you out of debt. Right? So from here we're going to explore the bankruptcy option, we're going to explore the debt consolidation option, we're going to explore the personal loan option, we're going to explore the debt settlement option, and so forth and so forth, right? There are many options available in the market right now that could help you guys out in any way, shape, or form to get you out of debt. The problem with all these options is no one discusses the negative things about them, right? They all give you the positive things about them, and they spin them any way they can, so that way it looks good on the surface and you think it's a great thing, when in reality you could be doing yourself a disservice. That's not to say that they're bad programs, it's just that you just have to know what they are, right? You have to know the rules, the regulations of each program from inside and outside, so you can make an educated decision on what is the best option for you and your family. So thank you again for tuning in. Hopefully you find this information very helpful. If you have any questions, concerns, message me, anything you like, or text me, email me. However it is that you need to get a hold of me to ask me questions, do so, right? Because I'm going to give you the reality of every option, every program you're going to get. And the more educated you are, the more knowledgeable you are, the more the more that you'll choose the best option for you and your family, right? That's what it is at the end of the day. You need to just be, you just need to be informed of everything, the pros and cons of it, and also the little dirty secrets that no creditors will tell you about the programs that exist out there, right? Or even people that are trying to help you that won't tell you, just because their financial gains outweigh your benefit, right? So thanks again for tuning in. Let's get together, let's explore the options, let's dissect them all from piece to piece, angle by angle. Don't leave any stone unturned whatsoever, so that way you can make an educated decision on what's the best solution to get out of debt. Now that said, regardless of what program you choose or what you understand and what you learn, make a decision to get out of debt, okay? That's all that matters here. You gotta make a decision to get out of debt. If you do not, you'll remain in debt for the rest of your life, okay? You don't want that. You don't want to remain in debt for the rest of your life. Choose an option, but the only way to choose the best option for you is knowing the facts from inside out, right? So again, thank you. This is Anthony Sabri, the Debt Alchemist, coming to you guys, and let's work together. Thank you guys. Take care.